Happy 35th birthday, my love. Thank you so much for making the last 5 years so wonderful. I really can't imagine a life without you anymore because you just made my life magical ever since you've been part of my life. You're such a compassionate, authentic, and very quirky person. But that's what I love about you. I love how you don't filter anything. You're just true. You're just a really truthful and wonderful person. And anyone that knows you is just really lucky and blessed to have you as part of their life, just as much as I'm blessed to have you as my partner. So I want to wish you a happy birthday. And I don't know what the future holds for us, but I'll be there to hold your hand in every step of the way for us to always be happy. I love you. Happy birthday, and I can't wait to celebrate with you. 35, oh my god, you're old!
Happy birthday to